Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use plant food and how to apply it to your garden. Usually I use like organic stuff. I mix it at home, like the ground coffee or tea or rice. But if you are in a rush and you just want to boost your soil, or you have like sometimes you have some yellow leaves and you just want to boost your soil, you can use this plant food. I got it, I think, for $8 at Walmart. I applied it already 2 weeks ago and it seems working, because I see a lot of my yellow leaves is starting to be green and my flowers are blooming. That means it's a good sign. That means it's a good product, and I recommend it for you guys. And now I'm gonna show you. You see the box, it has, I was surprised it has like 1 2 3 4. I start, like I said before, I started last week. I opened it already, and it has already a spoon that comes with it. I don't use this one because you're gonna use a teaspoon for 1 gallon. This is the one I use. It is 1 teaspoon for 1 gallon, and I'm just gonna show you now how to make it. I have this bottle. I always recycle the stuff that I buy. It's just a regular bottle for juice. I clean it really good, and now I'm using it for my garden. It has 1 gallon, like I said before. I just poke some holes on it, and now I'm just gonna put like here. I'm gonna use the teaspoon, and that's one it said that on the instruction. Anyway, you just use it like this, and this, and that's it. And you close it. That's it. You shake it a little bit, and you got your food for your plants. I recommend it. It's really good, and it's been working for me. I hope so. This is the 2nd week, and you have to use it every 2 weeks. Okay guys, I hope you like the video, and if you like it, subscribe please, and peace. Bye bye.